Okay, it's the 17th of March 2012. I'm up here. That's it down there. We stayed overnight in a little car park just around the edge of that rock face there. Down there on the highway, that's the main road through to Queenstown. And well, it's been a bit of a shitty hike, but I've made uphill here to this little spot here. A little waterfall here. We had a little bit of rain overnight. There's obviously a little bit of a catchment on top of the hill here. And it flows down the hill there to the highway and into the main rivulet or river that flows downstream from here. Lovely spot, shitty hike as I said, a bit of Bear Grylls style assault, but well worth it. I'll take a moment with this. So that'll have to do. Really beautiful rock formations here too, eh? Chiseled at an edge. Very crumbly but very solid rock. I think I'll go find my way out, down across through the shale, down to the road that way, on the way out. Beautiful spot, a lot of solitude. It's my Tasmanian wilderness experience for today.